Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Solihin. I'm from State Vocational School 7 Jember. I want to tell you how to make straight cable crimping. Cable UTP and RG45 connector. Cut the cable using crimping to the desired length. Strip the cable to expose the conductor. Track the conductor with a certain color until insert the conductor into the connector RG45. Use crimping pliers to crimp the connector on the cable. Test the cable using a line tester to find out whether it can connect or not.